Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Pour 4 cups of water into a pot and bring it to a gentle boil. This kills microbes and helps dissolve sugar quickly. While the water heats, measure 1 cup white granulated sugar, no substitutes. Once boiling 1 to 2 minutes is reached, turn off the heat and add the sugar, stirring until fully dissolved. You're doing this to create a safe, simple nectar that mimics flour sucrose concentration and avoids contaminants. You'll now ensure the mixture is ready for the feeder. Keep stirring until no sugar granules remain, because undissolved sugar ferments faster and can harm birds. Once fully dissolved, remove the pot from heat and let it cool to room temperature on a clean surface. You can strain through a fine sieve to remove scum. When cool, pour into a cleaned feeder, leave a small air gap so pressure won't push nectar out, and cap it securely before hanging. You finish by placing the feeder in a shady spot and noting replacement timing. In hot weather, change the nectar every 3 days. In cooler weather, up to 7 days is fine. Store any extra solution in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. If you see cloudiness, foam, or mold, discard immediately. Do not feed. To troubleshoot, scrub the feeder and use a cleaning mix of 1 part vinegar to 9 parts water, rinse well, and refill with fresh nectar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.